and defend our communities for law-abiding American citizens. We need, look, the crime is most rampant right here and in African American communities, and more people see me and they say, sir, we want protection. We want police to protect us. We don't want to get robbed and mugged and beat up or killed because we want to walk across the street to buy a loaf of bread. They want it so badly. The fake news doesn't talk about it. But the black population wants law enforcement more than any other population.
You see, now y'all done piss me off. Baby Trump, we gonna give two shits and flying fucks about what you gonna do for us. We don't want you doing shit for us. You stay right when the hell you at with you and your magmas. If I had it my way, we would separate the city, state, and everything from your government, okay? And have Kamala as our president, because clearly, hell, I would have Bush as my president before I have you as my president. Baby, we don't want you.
Donald Trump released an executive order that is extremely problematic for the African American community, especially African American men. It is an executive order that essentially unleashes cops on black men. It is horrible.
See, it's the words that he uses. My people have been telling me, who are his people? American people, please let me know in the comment section, who are Trump's people? Isn't he leading the United States of America? Which is white, black, Asian, Latino, and everything, every skin tone on planet Earth. So when he says that we need to put more military in black neighborhoods because my people have not been feeling safe, they've been complaining that they're not feeling safe, who are his people? And even if we know, yes, these are his people, is he ruling these people in the United States? Brothers and sisters, this could literally produce an uproar in America. And I don't even think his people are ready for it. No, because they thought when black people, see, the thing is, they tried with segregation and then they saw people were so okay with segregation, right? If they thought black people were laughing, hoo hoo hoo, kumbaya, when it came to the segregation, yeah. Bear with me, ladies and gentlemen, bear with me. I am not trying to throw there some threat to say to his people. All I'm trying to say is, let's see what happens next. His people are not feeling safe. These people, his people, are the number one people that are criminals in the country. Even if they keep on saying it's why. Who has the most in America? Who always gets away with it? Who can do something to another skin tone and they get away with it? You want to tell me his people are not feeling safe? These people, when this person does something to this person and immediately this person, jail time, we don't want to know, no court time, straight to jail. But these people are not safe. That's why he needs to militarize and unleash a lot of cops in black neighborhoods. Black people, what is your take on this? You know what? The reason why I'm even laughing, like however disgusting this is to watch, is because I know we are in 2025. And black people 2025, they are not their ancestors, baby. If these people, Trump's people, the ones that keep on telling him that they don't feel safe, you know, like when they pass through black neighborhoods, they don't feel safe. In the first place, I don't even see why they go to black neighborhoods, because they're the people that wanted segregation in the first place. And black people now telling y'all, we okay with segregation. Why are you passing in the communities of black people then? Just for you to come back and complain to Trump that you're not feeling safe. However, you see Trump's people, if they're not feeling safe, and Trump wants to use any excuse of bringing martial law to provoke black people, criminalize black men. See, that's where it's going. That is where it's going. That's where it's going. Criminalize black men. Oh, white women and white men are no longer safe in America. They can't pass anywhere. Who is the danger? That's how I see it. An attack on black men. See, he is done making certain stupid rules that black men cannot just join the army. Because he saw there were so many in there. In case anything happened, they will lose. So he's doing everything that he wants or can to provoke black people. See, the thing is, I am happily laughing at this, however agitating it is, knowing very well we are in freaking 2025. And I'm not trying to say that black people are violent. All I'm trying to say is, you can break a wound so many times. The time it decides to spit out some blood, you will feel the pain. It's 2025. And I really feel like white people in America have forgotten that black people right now are not their ancestors. And I say that with a lot of courage. Black people are not their ancestors anymore. Because back in the day, our ancestors, what was done to them? Enslaved. I saw an article lately that black women were not allowed to use one part of their breast because one part, see, white people knew that a black woman's milk had nutrients. So they let a black woman breastfeed with one boob. So the other boob is left for a white child to get nutrients. They could do that before. Not in 2025. Not in 2025. See, back in the day, they did everything they could to separate something called a black family. This is why in 2025 we have stats telling us that it's black men that are never available. They're not available in households because they have done a system since day one. They take the men in their farms. They use them, the white women, wherever they would want, they will use the black men. And then the black families that are separated, when a white man felt like they wanted to sleep with a slave, they go to a black woman. See, that was back in the day. Remember when I did a video of that lady who said, oh, my chains are ready and everything. You see that? Even the white people themselves of 2025, they read about that nonsense. They don't know it. Yes, their ancestors did it, but they just read about it. And they think because they read about it, they can enact it in 2025. Oh! Stop. Oh, white people. I am saying a prayer for you. A prayer for white people, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, a prayer for white people. Because, baby, let that man try to poke the last vessel of black people in 2025. I feel like the entire world will get to understand why black people, even when they were shipped from Africa, they reached America, survived, conquered, and now are living a legacy. We're talking about martial law. He wants to enact martial law. Every single day he's trying to poke something about martial law. What do you mean your people told you they are not safe around black people? Are you ruling white people only? Yeah. Oh, guys, I don't even mean to be sarcastic about this. But why people think they're the shit? Not in 2025. Like DJ T cannot pull that shit in 2025. Baby, no. Black people, let me know what you think in the comment section because I will go crazy thinking about this. It's 2025. In 2025, criminalizing a black man. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Wow. No, because it looks like this man wants WAR with black people. And he even wants it, he will get it. Even the Bible says, ask and you shall receive, isn't it? He shall receive what he's looking for.
And defend our communities for law-abiding American citizens. We need.
On behalf of the black community, I would like to say, no the fuck we don't. Stop your bullshit. Get the fuck on. Stay the fuck away from us.